Before you is one of the most stylish, beautiful, musical, and cinematic subwoofers I have ever heard. The three-letter abbreviation indicates that if you bought a product with the KEF label, it means you have a 100% guarantee of getting an extremely cool and high-quality product, because the company has been around for over 60 years. And these are the English, my friends. Yes, the same pesky Brits who make our lives difficult, but who, unfortunately, make the highest quality products that I love. With all my heart. Let's go through all its main functions together and figure out whether we need it or not. Because it's clear that design-wise, it's just super cool, but how it performs is another question. They are judged by their appearance, and the first thing that catches the eye is the fabric, which is stretched around the edges, so where else can you find such a solution? Usually, it's placed where the dynamics can be removed, but here it's an absolutely atypical solution. At first glance, the fabric might seem like the speaker is hidden somewhere below, as is often the case with bass machines. But no, my friends, it's in the front, which I actually consider a more correct placement, because this position of the diffuser allows for the most powerful reception of low frequencies as they come directly at you. When the speaker is directed downwards, yes, that's not bad either, but the bass is a little different. Here the speaker is right in the front, and at the back you see it's all walls. And on top, friends, on top, just take a look at this finish. Yes, it's extremely beautiful, cool, but unfortunately it leaves fingerprints. Therefore, children, women, and animals should just be shooed away with a broom from this Saba, because they will continue to stretch out their hands and try to touch this beautiful thing. The KEF subwoofer. By the way, its speaker, friends, is the 15 model. Well, you understand, right? 15 inches. And there are more in this lineup. An 8-inch, for the smallest a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and here is our hero, the 15-inch KEF Kube. Just imagine how consistent KEF is in their actions. The first Kube models appeared back in 2007. That's even older than my car, imagine, by a whole year. And for so many years, they continue to refine, releasing generation after generation. They increase the power, add, so to speak, intelligence to these subs. They are really smart, well, not as cool as ChatGPT, of course, but nevertheless, they are definitely capable of making your life easier. But more on that a bit later, when we take a look at the back. Just recently, I did a review on the Tone Winner subwoofer, which I believe is behind me. Yes, there it is. It's so cool, awesome, costs a little over 100,000. And I thought that this was my favorite, up to 200,000 rubles. Friends, when this beauty arrived, well, I don't know. Just in terms of Boots design, no questions. It's way cooler in terms of features. However, if you're really on a tight budget, go for the Tone Winner. But if you can pay a bit more, go for the KEF. And another point, regarding comments, it's not often mentioned that we can make a much cooler, much cheaper SAP, and it will sound better. Maybe you will do that, friends, but you have to understand that this device is a completely finished solution. From A to Z, look at its appearance, look at its features, its smart capabilities, because you can place it in a corner. There's a special preset for that. Place it against the wall. Again, there's a special setting for that, which the engineers have naturally tested and made so that you don't have to worry. You just press and get the maximum result. What am I getting at? The fact that right now, mathematics and intelligent solutions are in charge. Just hardware practically doesn't solve anything anymore. So here, we have a comprehensive approach. Moreover, you can download an app from the KEF website and use augmented virtual reality Bukan to see how this little guy will look in your interior. Although, jumping ahead, here's this feature seems a bit unnecessary to me because it looks stunning in any interior. I just don't know what kind of house or room it would not fit into, because it fits into classic, it fits into minimalism, and it would even fit into some Rococo style. Well, in the worst case, you can cover it with gold. That's also an option. Let's see what's at the back, friends. Two knobs. This is the volume level, of course, which I usually recommend setting to the middle, give or take, on subs. Never try to turn it up to the maximum because you might just burn the coil or send it into overload, although there is very good protection here. I tested it, and I want to say that the math works correctly. The sub didn't burn out, everything is fine. And another point regarding fine-tuning, friends, here's a little life hack for you. This subwoofer is adjustable from 40 naturally up to the standard LFE. If you have speakers, for example the LS50, try to seamlessly match the bass machine with your front pair, so that the subwoofer finishes playing just beyond the threshold where your speakers start to play. That is, if your front speaker systems, for example, play from 40 Hz, you can set it slightly above 40, like 42, 43, or a maximum of 45 Hz on the subwoofer. Set this cutoff so that it doesn't play beyond that. Why? Because you will achieve a higher quality, faster, right? And let's say more accurate bass. You can of course raise it up to 120 and it will strain to deliver. These are broader, but less precise low frequencies. That's why this is a very important aspect that you need to work on. What did you expect? You need to achieve the maximum result when you buy such a cool thing. It simply has to perform at 100%. And don't forget about the phase. Here, unfortunately, the adjustment is not by degree, but 0 and 180. But overall, for most rooms, this is quite sufficient to, once again, assess how your low frequencies are aligned. Pay attention to this modest switch, specifically wall, cabinet, in-room, and corner. These are essentially presets into which KEF engineers have poured practically their entire soul. The basic setting is in-room. If you place the sub against the wall, it will be the wall cabinet switch. And if you decide to place the bass machine in the corner, then of course you switch to corner. Friends, I didn't hesitate to check all these settings. I switched them and indeed placed the sub in the corner, in the middle of the room, against the wall, and switched. And you will laugh, but indeed, when the sub is in the corner, you set this switch to corner and the sub plays differently, completely differently. You place it in the middle. Walls. Leave it on corner and the sound is not quite right. Switch to wall and yes, damn it, that's what you need. That's what I was talking about. Mathematics, friends. How much time did the engineers spend to make this happen? Explain to me how someone who assembles subs in a garage and claims to have the best product can achieve this. But it's practically impossible. If you think otherwise, write in the comments. Let's debate. On board, there's also a 56-bit specialized DSP, which doesn't allow this device to stray into some kind of severe overload. It calculates everything perfectly, again thanks to the mathematics built inside. And the device operates very efficiently and smoothly, even at maximum levels. However, again, I do not recommend pushing it to such limits. But if you really love cranking it up and want the bass to be dumped on you from a dump truck, then this device is also for you. And the mathematical cherry on top is another algorithm called the Music Integrity Engine. Engineers from KEF apparently patented this feature and called it IBX, Intelligent Bass Extension. As is often the case, the Music Integrity Engine migrated from KEF's wireless acoustic systems, and we know what the British do and have done. LS50 wireless second generation, which simply outclasses everyone. They also now have the LS50, which are just super cool floor standing speakers that again dominate their segment. So let's say they have the experience. Now the subwoofers can also boast such cool features, friends. Well, we've covered all its interesting features. Let's see what's inside it. Unfortunately, we can't reach the speaker because we would have to cut open this beautiful fabric and we're not vandals, so we'll carefully approach it like this from the back. Climax. Oh, those clever ones. Oh, KEF, look at what they have done. On one hand, we unfortunately won't see its insides as everything here is covered. But how good. Ni is this vibration isolation, which again, due to large vibrations, prevents the control unit from rattling. Moreover, this screen also protects the speaker. Of course, from the waves that come from the Class D amplifier, which we see in front of us. And again, it is made with the highest quality. We have 300 watts RMS on board, friends. Yes, not as powerful as Tone Winner, but genuine, honest. Everything is good. I have nothing to criticize. But here are such engineers. Everything is isolated, twisted, well done. Yes, the amplifier is small, but it is absolutely sufficient for all these bass delights. 2 weeks. I spent 2 weeks with this monster, and I will say that it is wonderful in every way, because people would come to my test room and immediately ask what this beauty is that I have. So, if you like to ask your wife's opinion, then of course, I think your spouse will definitely approve when such a beauty is in your room. If you want to get the maximum bass, then again, it's a win-win option because it plays from 20 Hz at the plus minus 3 dB. kg weighs, it is quite a large device. By the way, you can duplicate it and have 2 of them. It delivers 116 dB of sound pressure, although by my standards, it even reached 117 dB, friends. Just like that. So, again, the KEF engineers did not lie. Regarding the content, I tested, of course, with my reference films, namely Mad Max Fury Road. This film is exactly what you need to test your setup. So the chase scene, the initial one, when you remember they are speeding and there's an ambush, the car flips over and all these bass scenes are played back by this device in the coolest way possible. It is, very fast, friends, extremely fast. I know that KEF has a super cool sub, it's the KC62, I believe. Just a rapid shooter. Despite having a 15-inch driver here, it also performs with maximum quality. Those explosions and gunshots, because I tested John Wick both the first, second, and third. Again, all those shootouts are of the highest quality. You remember in the second part, when they enter the catacombs and a shootout begins there. With that woman, man, also, you just have to listen to it on this sub. Very fast scenes, frightening. And the cherry on top is the movie Interstellar, which I rewatched with this hero. And when they were flying into the black hole, phew, friends, it's something incredible. Although, if you bought it, then buy another one. Because you agree, thanks to all these intellectual settings, thanks to mathematics, they integrate very, very well seamlessly again into such arrays, bass, subwoofer, these mountains. What do I want to say? Did I like it more than the Tone Winner, which I tested before? Yes, Tone Winner. A great sub, no questions about it, but KEF is cooler. Moreover, I am forced to admit that my former favorites, such as with VS, unfortunately now, they nervously smoke on the sidelines because KEF simply looks more beautiful, more technologically advanced. And most importantly, it is available, friends, with an official warranty, because you know that if you buy an SVS there somewhere on Avito, you will get, let's say, a cat in a bag, just like if you buy this one, a device without an official warranty. Well, I would, for example, be wary of such purchases because it's still more reassuring when you've bought something and know what to expect. Official service, a genuine 1-year warranty. So, this again. My favorite, KEF, yes, they make things, but I can't do anything about it. I don't like the British, but they do indeed make cool quality products. There are practically none now, friends, at least not here. It's also a closed type, so if you want to listen to music, it's suitable as well because it perfectly matches with bookshelf speakers. Want to watch movies? It's suitable for that too. Want to simply enjoy a cool design? Again, all the advantages here. subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for new reviews. Thank you for watching until the end.